Hi guys, welcome to my channel. It's your favorite foodie here again with another mukbang. And today, oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Why am I excited? It's the word S-U-S-H-I, sushi. I love sushi so much. I love sushi so much. And today that's what we are going to be eating. Oh, I literally just ordered this now. And I went heavy on the ordering just because I've been craving sushi for a long time, and I said okay, it has to be today. So I said I was going to order some sushi, but it ended up being so much. But aside sushi, I've got some fried chicken, everything from the same shop. So it's a Japanese store. I got some fried chicken. This is calamari, fried calamari, seafood. I've got spring rolls. I've got some avocado rolls. I think they're all mixed up, but yeah, I think this is avocado roll, and this is no, this is avocado roll, this is cucumber roll, and this ones, let me check what the names of these ones are. Okay, so this was in a set. It's called the bestseller set. I got this from Sushi Train. It's not letting me view what I got. Oh, it wants to make me order again now. So, oh yeah, this is aburi salmon nigiri. So 2 pieces. This is the aburi wagyu beef roll. I think this is the kakiagi nigiri. Forgive my, I don't know how to say. Teriyaki chicken is I think this one. No, this one. And the prawn stick roll, yeah, I got that one. And yeah, that's it. So yeah, that's what I got, and I am so hungry. I'm starving, you guys. I'll just go right into this video. I got some green tea from the same shop. Never tried it before, I just ordered it. It says sugar free. I don't think it's going to be good, but yeah, whatever. I'm having sushi, I'm happy. All right, I'll just say the grace and we are going to dive in. Amen. Okay, so this is what happens when I've got so much at my front. I get so overwhelmed and I don't know where to start. So how about I start with maybe the spring rolls. I'll start with the spring rolls. Yeah, so I've got soy sauce, by the way. I don't want it to spill. I can't eat sushi. I don't think anyone can eat sushi without soy sauce. You just have to, dip it into it. And I've got some pickled ginger. I can't eat sushi without it as well. It's really sweet. It just goes well. Oops. It just goes very well with sushi. Yeah, and I think this is sweet chili sauce, so I'll just have it with the spring rolls. Okay. Can never go wrong with spring rolls. With sweet chili sauce, oh my god. I can't stop. I'm really hungry, you guys. I think it's almost 5 o'clock, and this is the first thing entering my mouth. Not even water for the whole day. All right, I'll start with the rolls. I think this is the avocado roll. That's the thing soy sauce does with sushi. Oh my god. soy sauce was definitely made for sushi. This is too good. It's just really good. You guys, I'm having the time of my life right now. The cucumber is really crunchy. Okay, I'm actually even forgetting the ginger. This is going so well, guys. Oh. I'm laughing at myself because I can feel the way I'm rushing the food, but man, I'm really hungry, and then this is really good. I'll try the calamari. So you guys, sushi is something that I love, like I love. Well, it's not something I can eat every day. When I want to have sushi, I'll have like a bigger size, and that's it for like a long while till I start craving it again. I don't know why, but I love it 100%. 100%. I think one of these days I should learn how to do it. I don't think it'll be that hard. It's literally just green tea. Like you put a tea bag into the hot water and just make it cold. That's what I just had. I think I'll pass. I'll probably get myself another drink along the way. Probably water. I'm trying the chicken. Mayonnaise is for the chicken. Oh my lord, you guys. I'm having the time of my life. Oh my gosh. With this chicken, with this whole thing here, I'm really having the time of my life now. There's just one thing missing right now. Somebody to eat this food with. It feels like this you don't eat alone. It's too good. Alright, let me dive into one of this from the set. Anytime I want to have sushi, I buy this. All this is from a set, like I said. So I buy this set so I'm really familiar with it. It's the best. It's called the, I think I said it before, bestseller set. So I mean, you know, you should know how good it is. Mm. Mm. Oh my god. Okay, I'll just go get myself some water. I know I said water, but I couldn't resist. I couldn't resist. So it's still tea anyways. Just a sweeter one. Mm. That's more like it, man. That is more like it. Ooh. Mm. So I'll tell you something, right? Long ago, before I ever tried sushi, when I hear sushi, all I think about is raw fish. Just because I don't know, I don't even know where I heard that thing from, but I heard that sushi was raw fish. That was all. But I didn't know sushi was a lot of things. You have the chicken one, beef, whatever, like so many, just like these ones are just the veggie ones. So just cucumber and avocado inside. Mm. Mm. So back then I would say, oh my god, I can never eat sushi. I can never eat sushi. Haven't I been eating raw fish? Mm. The thing is, yeah, we've got sushi that's raw fish. I think it's called sashimi. I don't even think it's sushi. It's just sashimi. That's what it's called. It's also Japanese. So it's like raw salmon. If you notice, this salmon, it's also raw-ish. But it's like the top part was heated. But trust me, salmon can be eaten raw. Mm. Oh my god. Mm. This food is going well. Hey. Mm. With the soy sauce, you don't really need to dip it too much. If not, you won't like it. Just a little slight dipping. Mm. The last calamari. Mm. The sweet chili sauce is just perfect with the spring rolls and the fried calamari. Oh, this is going down so good. These are one of my favorite, the ones with the prawn. It's just so good. Oh no, 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 don't do that. Mm. Mm. I think that one has like caramelized onion. So I didn't know, like the last 10 minutes have not been recording. Okay guys, I had my food, I said my goodbyes, and then I checked the camera and nothing. It wasn't recording, it ended a long time ago. So I just came back to say goodbye and to tell you that this food was really good and I really enjoyed myself. But unfortunately, I can't have it all because it's really filling. Sushi is really filling. And well, maybe now that I'm back to the camera, I can just have the last spring roll. So yeah, it had stopped recording for like 10 minutes, but I won't let that get to me now. Alright guys, I'll just sign off now. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching this as much as I enjoyed eating this. This was really amazing. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up, share, leave a comment. Let me know who is viewing, okay? Just leave a comment, say something to me, okay? And of course, I'll reply back to you. And yeah, for more content like this, it's a mukbang channel. So if you like what you've watched, just keep visiting, coming back to the channel, okay? And I'll see you in my next video for sure. All right, bye.